In this video I'm going to show you how to use the precise definition of the limit to prove that a limit of a linear function is equal to that specific value. So let's recall the precise definition. So we say limit of a function as x approaches to a is equal to a number if for every epsilon greater than 0 there is a delta greater than 0 such that x minus a less than delta implies that f of x minus L in absolute value is less than epsilon. So what does it mean to prove that the limit of 2x minus 1 equals 5? So to prove that the limit of 2x minus 1 as x approaches to 3 equals to 5 means that we have to assume that an epsilon given, and we have to find delta greater than 0 such that x minus a, but a in this case is 3, is less than delta, implies that f of x, but f of x in our case is 2x minus 1 minus L is less than epsilon. So simplifying this basically tells us what delta should be. So if we want this to be true, we can simply set delta to be equal to epsilon over 2. So the complete proof looks like this now. So this is the proof. So for a given epsilon greater than 0, set delta to be equal to epsilon over 2. Then the following is true. As x gets closer to delta, as x gets closer to 3, that implies the following, which is equivalent to this. So this is the proof that the limit of 2x minus 1 as x approaches to 3 equals to 5.